The fog mask, goggles, and my GoPro. Hang on. This is the Alamo.
Yeah, we ain't ready.
Come over by you.
I see them shooting us right now.
Up on the guns. 1, 2, 3.
I don't think we need 5 seconds. We're gonna race so bad anyway.
Guys, get ready.
You got 5 seconds.
Die! Die, you motherfuckers! Ow! Woo! Ah! Fuck! Ah! God! Dang it! Are you holding up, Jared?
I'm getting fucking hit.
Ow! Die!
Like 3 times.
Damn. Shit. Ah! Hey! Here we go. Oh shit! Uh-oh. Ow! No, don't light us up. Don't. Ow! Ah, the grenade! Fucker! Holy shit!
I gotta get my gun.
Ow! 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 We're done! We're done! Woo! That was insane!
It almost didn't go over.
I know.
And then it bounced over.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Jesus Christ.
Parker, if that went off inside that, I'd have been pissed. I'm like,
Shit! I just stuck it out.
when someone says stop, that is a surrender. Yeah, we yelled stop. Oh my gosh, I'm so glad I did make it for me. I saw it like Parker.